Hi there, this is Penelope, FS3128, Topic 3, Class 1, where we're looking at algebra, second part of algebra, and for this class we're looking at simplification. Now a lot of what we do is easier if we can somehow simplify what we're dealing with first. Simplification is a tool, it's not a separate topic of maths. It's often taught like that, but it's just a tool. Students often get worried about how far they have to go to simplify a problem. The answer is, well, really, you need to go as far as you need to go to be useful to you. As part of, at this stage of the course, we need to practice simplifying, and for the moment, we need to simplify as far as we legitimately can. There are lots of things we can do. We can take out brackets, we can put in brackets, we can find common factors, we can cancel out some terms, we can collect powers, we can collect up objects that are similar. As long as we don't break any rules, we're fine. And we'll start off by looking at how we add and subtract variables. But the main rule is you can't add apples and bananas unless you're making fruit salad. So what we need to do is to look to see, first of all, if we've got apples and bananas or if we've got all apples. The first example, 3x plus 7x minus 2x, they're all the same thing. They're all apples. They're all like what we call like terms. And if the terms are like terms, then we can add them together. Just the same as you would add 3 plus 7 minus 2, we can add 3x plus 7x minus 2x to get 8x. If we look at something like 3x plus 2y, they aren't all apples. We've got a set of apples and a set of bananas, so we can't add them together. For the last example, x plus 5x plus y, some of those are apples, they're the same, but we've got y which is different. So we can say that x plus 5x can be added, that's 6x, and then we add on y, and then we can't do anything else. We cannot simplify any further. So sometimes it's useful to put your like terms together. Now I wonder if I can do this, no, I'm not even going to try. I'll just leave that there and say, oops, my arrows have moved, and what I will do is recreate it with pen. We can collect the things that are the same. We've got 4x and 3x. They are the same kind of term. We've got 3y, we'll do that in blue. We've got 3y and 5y. That's clever, it's changed colour. I didn't realise it was going to change colour. And then we've got some z terms where we can go from z, 2z to 4z. So we can collect the ones that are the same. So 4x minus 3x is x. 3y plus 5y is 8y. And negative 2z plus 4z would be plus 2z. Similarly, for the next one, we need to look and see what's the same. Let's go for pink this time. So the uv terms, let's collect the uv terms. And let's collect the uz terms. There's only one, so that's there by itself. Let's collect the wz terms like that. So if we now add them together, the terms that are collected, we've got 4uv plus 2uv, that's 6uv, minus 7uz, because that's all, and then negative 6wz plus 3wz would be minus 3wz, where we've collected all the like terms together.